Imagine stepping into your backyard and finding yourself in a space that seamlessly blends the comforts of home with the beauty and serenity of the outdoors. Building your dream outdoor kitchen is more than just adding a grill to your patio. It's about creating an inviting, functional, and personalized environment where memories are made over delicious meals and laughter lingers long after the sun sets. The journey to your dream outdoor kitchen starts with vision. Consider how you plan to use this space. Will it be a cozy nook for family dinners, a lively hub for entertaining friends, or a tranquil retreat for quiet mornings with coffee? Your intentions will guide your choices in layout, appliances, and design. Begin by picturing the flow, how guests will move, where you'll prepare food, and where everyone will gather. Start with the foundation. The placement of your outdoor kitchen is crucial. Choose a location with easy access to your indoor kitchen, especially if you'll be carrying dishes, ingredients, and supplies back and forth. Think about shade, wind direction, and sunlight throughout the day. You might want to position your kitchen to take advantage of a beautiful view, or to ensure it receives the right amount of natural light. Remember, proximity to your house may also simplify plumbing, gas, and electrical connections. Next, select the right materials. Outdoor kitchens must withstand the elements, so durability is key. Opt for weather-resistant countertops like granite or concrete, and cabinetry of stainless steel or marine-grade polymer. For flooring, consider non-slip pavers, stone, or tile that complement your home's style and stand up to rain and heat. The colors and textures you choose will set the mood. Earthy tones for a rustic feel, sleek finishes for a modern edge, or vibrant hues for a Mediterranean vibe. Now on to the heart of your outdoor kitchen. The appliances. The grill is often the star. Choose one that fits your cooking style, whether it's a classic charcoal grill for smoky flavor, a gas grill for quick weeknight dinners, or a wood-fired pizza oven for artisan creations. Consider adding a side burner for sauces, a smoker for slow-cooked meats, or even a teppanyaki griddle for stir-fries and breakfasts. If you love to entertain, a beverage fridge or built-in cooler keeps drinks at hand, while an ice maker, wine chiller, or kegerator can take your gatherings to the next level. Don't overlook storage and prep space. Built-in cabinets and drawers keep utensils, spices, and tools organized and protected from the elements. Incorporate ample countertop space for prepping, serving, and plating dishes. A sink with running water makes cleaning up a breeze and adds convenience for washing produce or rinsing glasses. Comfort and ambiance are just as important as functionality. Incorporate ample seating with weather-resistant furniture, bar stools at a counter, a dining table under a pergola, or plush lounge chairs around a fire pit. Shade is essential for hot days, so consider adding a retractable awning, pergola, or large umbrella. For cooler evenings, a built-in fireplace or portable patio heater extends the use of your kitchen well into the fall. Lighting transforms your outdoor kitchen from day to night. Layer your lighting with task lights over the cooktop and prep areas, ambient lights for dining and lounging, and accent lights to highlight landscaping or architectural features. String lights, lanterns, and sconces create a warm, inviting glow, while LED strips under counters or pathways enhance safety and style. Personal touches make your outdoor kitchen truly yours. Decorate with potted herbs for fresh flavors at your fingertips. Hang artwork or mirrors designed for outdoor use, and add colorful cushions or throws for comfort. Planters with flowers or edible plants can double as decoration and ingredients. Incorporate a sound system for background music or a mounted outdoor television for watching the big game under the stars. Safety should always be a priority. Install proper ventilation for grills and appliances, especially if your kitchen is under a roof or semi-enclosed. Choose non-combustible materials around cooking areas and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Ensure all electrical work is rated for outdoor use, and consider low-voltage lighting for paths and steps to prevent accidents after dark. Sustainability can also play a part in your dream kitchen. Choose energy-efficient appliances, install a rainwater collection system for watering nearby plants, and use locally sourced or recycled materials wherever possible. A compost bin for kitchen scraps makes it easy to reduce waste and nourish your garden. As you plan, think about how your outdoor kitchen integrates with the rest of your backyard. An open layout might flow into the pool area or seamlessly connect to an outdoor living room. Landscaping can provide privacy, shade, and beauty. Add a water feature for soothing sounds or a garden wall for lush greenery. Paths and lighting can guide guests effortlessly from one area to another. Budget is always a consideration, but remember that a well-designed outdoor kitchen is an investment in your home and lifestyle. Start with the essentials and add features over time as your needs and budget allow. Even a modest setup with a quality grill, prep space, and comfortable seating can offer years of enjoyment and bring new life to your outdoor space. Maintenance is the final piece of the puzzle. Choose easy-to-clean surfaces, cover appliances when not in use, and schedule regular upkeep to keep your outdoor kitchen looking and functioning its best. With a little care, your outdoor oasis will remain a favorite gathering place for years to come. In the end, your dream outdoor kitchen is a reflection of your tastes, habits, and aspirations. It's a place where meals become experiences, where friends and family linger over good food and conversation, and where the boundaries between indoors and out disappear. By blending thoughtful design, quality materials, and personal flair, you can create a space that elevates every moment spent under the open sky. So whether you're grilling burgers for a summer barbecue, mixing cocktails for a sunset party, or savoring quiet mornings with a cup of coffee, your dream outdoor kitchen is within reach. Start today. Envision, plan, and build a backyard retreat that invites you to cook, entertain, and savor the best of outdoor living. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination.